1984 Pontiac Parisienne, four-door sedan. Listen to this, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles, just a little over 2,500. Yes, that's 2,579 is what the odometer shows right now. 5-liter underneath the hood, paired up with an automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, and it has been converted to 134A. Take a look at the front chrome, grille, headlights, surrounds. Nice shape. This vehicle will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That is included in the purchase price, may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email, and you can call in at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. You'll see the underside, interior, engine bay. As you can see, steel wheels, wheel covers, Pontiac correct wheel covers, white wall radials. And those were replaced in 2021. There was some recent service work done on this in 2021. The tires being installed were one of them. It also had transmission flushed and serviced, so new tranny fluid, trans gasket. Rear shocks were replaced, and also brake fluid flushed and gone through. This is frost beige is the color of this car. As you can see, with the brown vinyl top, brown cloth interior. We're going to get around to the driver's side, check that out a little closer here in just a bit. First, let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see nice shape. Now, I do have a couple things I want to point out back here. From inside the trunk, I guess I call them Audis. We've got maybe something that's slid, but it's kind of pushed from the trunk, and it's got a little Audis there, a couple of them. And then the filler panel. Those do deteriorate over time just from age, so I want to point that out. Owner of this car said price it accordingly and announce those things, sell it the way you see it. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist with transportation. As we take a look at the rear chrome, rest of the filler panels. Again, it's just the end ones on each side. Take your time looking through the still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. There'll be probably 100, 120 pictures of this vehicle online, underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. Also be a nice description of it down below all the pictures, so check that out. And let's take a look down the driver's side. See, it's really free of any major rust, bubbling, anything like that. Then take a look at this interior. Now you do see the Rusty Jones sticker on there, which was a rust inhibitor back in the 1980s. And I'll show you a couple things up front. Actually, there'll be one back here. These plugs is where they would go inside the panels and spray that from the inside. So it's probably one reason. That, and it hasn't been on the road a whole lot. Interior looks like new on the rear. Here'd be another one of those spots in there, and they'd plug it, and another one in the door. And that's so they would spray that rust inhibitor inside the panels. So probably why this car looks so nice and solid, or one of the reasons. And take a look at this front seating area, free of rips, tears, holes, really anywhere at all. I mentioned 2,579, so 2,579 right there in the odometer. Clean Carfax, original miles, no accidents indicated. Look at the top of this dash. You know, this vintage GM vehicle, they were prone to crash on that dash top, but this one has definitely been stored indoors, out of the elements. It also shows by the condition of the interior. There's that 5-liter, fired right up. No warning indicators or anything like that. I've had radio working, had wipers working. This car is ready to get in, turn the key, go down the road. Slip around to the back seat here and run. Sounds as you'd expect. Slip up to the front here. Excuse me, lost my voice just a little bit there. All right, Let me pause this a second and get the hood open. Check out that engine bay. Look at that hood liner. Extremely clean. Doesn't look like this car's really been driven in inclement weather, which doesn't surprise me looking at the condition of it. There you go, 5-liter. V8, automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. Remember, AC was converted to 134 and does blow cold. It's pretty stock underneath there. What you'd expect, and remember, 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan, including the purchase price, may be extendable out to 10 years. 1984 Pontiac Parisienne. 4-door sedan, clean Carfax, low miles, no accidents indicated. 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1984 Pontiac Parisienne. This is a 4-door. Very nice condition, very low mile machine. The odometer shows less than 3,000 miles. 2,577 to be exact. And it looks and drives that way. The interior is pretty amazing, the condition. Factory radio is working.
Content and predators online, including warning.
Wipers are also working. We have air conditioning blowing cold at the moment. Very comfortable car. Split bench seating with cloth. Fold down armrests. We're getting a very smooth ride from this vehicle. Letting go of the wheel, it stays straight in the lane. It doesn't pull to the sides at all. Fuel gauge is reading 3/4 and speedometer is working well. The rest are warning lights. Brakes are working very good. Acceleration is also good. Corners as you would expect for a 1984 full-size GM car. Kickdown working well on that transmission. Nice chocolate brown, I would say, the inside. Very era-correct color, I might say. Parisienne, how would you say it? Either way, one of GM's reliable 1984 models in very good condition. Take a look at all the pictures at UniqueClassicCars.com.